Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we will dive into the exciting world of BingX bonuses and how you can maximize your rewards by using our special referral code, CHUCHU. Are you looking to enhance your trading experience? BingX offers a fantastic bonus system that allows both new and existing users to benefit from various promotions and rewards. By utilizing your BingX account effectively, you can unlock additional funds to trade and explore even more opportunities in the cryptocurrency market. So, what exactly is the BingX bonus? It's a promotional offer designed to provide users with extra trading funds, boosting your ability to trade various cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, these bonuses can really elevate your trading game. But here's the best part. By using our referral code, CHUCHU, when you sign up or make a deposit, you can gain exclusive access to these bonuses. This means not only will you be able to take advantage of BingX's exciting trading features, but you'll also receive additional incentives to trade more effectively. Picture this. You start your trading journey with an enhanced balance, giving you the power to explore different trading pairs and strategies right from the beginning. It's a win-win situation. Additionally, BingX offers a range of educational resources and trading tools to help you make the most out of your experience. By leveraging the bonuses and your referral code, you set yourself up for success in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Sign up for BingX today and remember to use the referral code CHUCHU to unlock the full benefits of your bonus. Thank you for watching this video from Crypto Horizon. We hope you found this information valuable and that you'll start using the BingX bonus to your advantage. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on how to thrive in the world of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow crypto enthusiasts. Happy trading! Until next time, keep exploring the horizon of crypto possibilities.